Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zero Negativity. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos. The first stock is Coromandel International. Coromandel International Limited is an Indian corporation founded in the early 1960s by IMC and Cherwan companies of USA and EID Parry, headquarters in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. The company has 16 manufacturing units located in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. Its product lines include Gromer, Godavari, Paramfas, Gold, and Pari Super. Coromandel International Limited, India's second largest photovoltaic fertilizers player, is in the business segment of fertilizers, specialty nutrition, crop production, and retail. The company manufactures a wide range of fertilizers and markets around 4.5 billion tons, making it is a leader in addressable market. Coromandel International is the second largest manufacturer of malathion and only the second manufacturer of Panathot. Coromandel has also introduced a range of specialty nutrition products including organic fertilizers. The crop production business produces insecticides, fungicides and herbicides and market of these products in India and across the globe. Coromandel also ventured into the retail business, setting up around 800 rural retail centers in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. The company clocked a turnover of rupees 14,205 crore during financial year 2021. It was ranked among the top 20 best company to work for by Business Today and was also voted as one of the 10 greenest company in India by TERI, reflecting its commitment to the environment and society. Coromandel is a part of the Murugappa Group. Murugappa Group valuation in 417 billion in Indian rupees 41,713 crore. Now look at the market cap of this company is 23,471 crore. Face value is 1. Book value is 175.15 rupees. ROE 26.8. Earning per share 45.34. Dividend yield of this company is very good, around 1.50% of dividend yield. Now look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 57.56%, FII is having 7.32%, DII 21.68, and public 13.45%. Promoter holding remains unchanged at 57.56 in June 2021 quarter. Mutual funds have increased holdings from 14.98 to 15.39% in June quarter. Number of mutual fund schemes increased from 27 to 29 in June 2021 quarter. Now look at the revenue of this company. In 2017, 10,030 crore. In 2018, 11,082 crore. In 2019, 13,224 crore. In 2020, 13,136 crore. In 2021, 14,213 crore. Look at the net profit of this company. In 2017, 477 crore. In 2018, 691 crore. In 2019, 719 crore. In 2020, 1064 crore. In 2021, 1323 crore. Net profit also jump year by year continuously. Now look at the chart. Now this stock trading around 800 rupees. You can buy this price or else wait for some breakout. But this stock will be go up further. If you buy this price 764 is a huge support. Most of the brokers giving buy call and giving target of 1000 rupees. Now look at the second stock. Mukta Agriculture Limited. Mukta Agriculture Limited, formerly known as Pearl Agriculture Limited, incorporated on 29th day of August 2011. Mukta Agriculture Limited was listed on BSE in the year of 2013 and it promoted by Mr. Kishan Kaderia, President of the scheme of demerger sanctioned by Honorable Bombay High Court. On October 9th, 2012, the Agriculture Division of Noveva Global Venture Limited was demerged into Mukta Agriculture Limited in the year of 2016. This company is planning to start contract farming and also to carry on the business of commercial agriculture activities including raising of crops and plantation and to carry on business of trading in the agriculture products spaces and products such as grains, cereals, pulses, rubex, latex, paper, coffee, tea, cinchona, minerals, clove, cardamom, cassia, saffron, cumin seeds, pepper, ginger, cashew, banana, coconut, sugarcane, jute, bamboo, dry and green fruits, seeds, roots, plants, creepers, flowers and vegetables. As part of this business, company also plan to acquire, own, hold, possess, manage, supervise, organize, develop, conduct, cultivate, till and improve lands, farms, field areas and site, whether for agriculture or horticulture, sericulture, botanical or garden purpose or for vegetable or other plantations. Look at the returns. Year to date 279 percentage, 3 month 296 percentage, 1 month 173 percentage, 1 week 27 percentage. In shareholding pattern, promoter having 14 percentage of stakes and the public 86 percentage of stake. Market capital of this company is 23 crore, face value 10, book value 15.19. Look at the chart. The continuously hitting upper circuit. Now current trading price is 10 rupees 62 paise. 52-week high of the stock is 10.62. 52-week low 1.63. Now this stock is overbought zone. If you are investor, you can wait more time to acquire this stock. This is a penny stock. You can try 100 to 200 shares. Now look at the third and final company. The name of company is Amraveld Agro Limited. Amraveld Agrico was incorporated in the year of 1991. The company was earlier known as Gujarat Narmada Spinning. It got its present name on September 9, 2002. The company had a business activities in commodity trading and started trading castor seeds in 2006 to 2007. Headquarters located in Gujarat, India. Amra World Agrico is engaged in the trading of agriculture products including precious metals, precious stones, diamonds, petroleum and energy products and all other commodity and security in spot markets and in future. Market capital of this company is 4 crore. Face value 1. Book value is 0.96. 100 percentage of shares belongs to public retail investors. Look at the chart. The stock current trading price is 0.41 paise. 52-week high is 0.72. 52-week low is 0.32. You can add this price. Why I am speaking about this penny stock is most of the people don't know about this penny stocks. Investors mostly focused blue chip stocks. Not everyone on the stock market become crorepati, but you can create a chance of being crorepati. You are definitely spending minimum 200 to 300 rupees in month for unnecessarily. You can use that money to buy this penny stock. If you buy one stock of other reputed company, you can buy 100 stock of these penny companies. In future, no one knows which company will boom. Kindly look into this matter. After investing in it, you definitely forget about this. If 100 rupees is not a big money for us, but 200 equity is big for us. If you buy this, it will not help now, but definitely one of these penny stocks will help you in future. I will share stocks like around 0.15 paise to 10 rupees regularly in this channel. You can buy it your convenience. Keep thinking about future. You won't get benefit, but your sons or daughters may benefit of these penny stocks. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment.